Now that we're in the maps, we can look for the ancillary data consultant group, which is going to contain the ancillary structure consultant updates and any offline maps that you might have created. So now we're going to open up the update map itself. For routine inspections, copy the existing structure number from the existing point and paste it into the consultant update point, creating the update point.
The map always opens up centered on your physical location. We are going to go to the intersection on the east side of the Burns Bridge on Route 9 to a span wire signal and pretend that we are performing a routine inspection on the span wire signal. What we'll do is select the dot that we think may be the correct record, and we can see that it is. We're going to copy this number by pressing into that field, copying. We're going to close this. Using the blue button on the bottom, we'll create a point on the update layer. When you press that button, it'll bring you to your current location. We are now at the district office, so in order to put this point in the correct spot, we will need to relocate the map and center this bullseye over the center of this span wire, like so. And we're going to add this point. We are then going to pop into the structure number and paste in the structure number that we copied. Now, if we want, we can take photographs. I believe you can take 8 to 10 photographs. Town is direct data entry. I like to use speech to text. District 3. There's no pull down for route ID. Mile point you can get from the mile point layer. In order to record the inspection date, it'll always open up on today's date. You need to press the blue text in the dialog box. Notable findings. If it's imminent, potential, fall hazard, and critical, it'll turn the dot red, as you see here. If it is significant, something that must be attended to within the next 3 months, it'll turn the dot orange. When we have a significant finding, the inspector needs to provide enough notes while in the field for the district ancillary structure engineer to take action. It may be easier because this dialog box is so small for the inspector to open up the notes app on his phone or his tablet and dictate or write the deficiency out and then copy it into the notes dialog in the form. When we submit this form by pressing submit in the upper right, the notes dialog box will expand to contain all of the notes. Inspector's name needs to be the inspector's name, not the consultant's name. The status must be filled out. The consultant name must be filled out. If it is the subcontractor, then that is recorded there. The consultant contract number is going to tell us who the prime is. That is mandatory. That must be filled out, as well as the consultant's name each time. And the crews have got to know what their assignment number is. That is also essential for this whole system to work properly. Owner, and contact information, self-explanatory. Completion date. If you finish the inspection the same day, obviously, you will follow the same processes with the start date by pressing the blue text. If you have not completed the inspection and need to return to do the UT inspection or drone, then this is left empty. We then submit and the feature is created. When the UT or the drone team shows back up, they will open this record and they will hit edit on the bottom. If they need to, they will add notes and they will, at that time, enter the completion date and submit.